Good evening, guys. This is day one of the construction. Construction has officially begun as the digging for the pillars is already underway. We still not have the drawing for the building, for the structure, but still we know that there will be 4 columns at the 4 corners of the building. That's why they are digging those 4 as of now. I think roughly the depth will be approximately 5 to 6 feet. Right now they have dig up 1, 2 and 3 holes. 4th one, there is this padding there. That's why they haven't done the digging on this side. But officially the construction has begun on 1st May 2018, and this little kid here is playing while the construction is taking place. Alright guys, let's show you. See, these bricks have come out of the digging. See,